Here we have the SONGMICS hamper. This is going to go through and allow you to put your clothes in here and keep them separated if you want. It does come with separators. However, we removed it. You can see it comes out very easily if you just cut it off, or you could just, keep it as it is. And the good thing is this is going to last a long time. This is a metal frame and metal hinges, so that is going to last a good amount of time. This is washable. It does come off. You can just throw it in the wash. The unit itself does come with wheels. However, we didn't put it on. We just wanted it stationary. So if you do want it higher, you want it to roll, you could do that. Really nice weave material, and the color, the two-tone, looks really good. The metal frame you can see here and over here, and it's also got it here and here. This is going to go through and keep it solid so it doesn't cave in if you put too much clothes in. It's going to always stay upright and right wherever you put it. So it's definitely a hamper I would go through and recommend. It's a nice size. It holds a good amount. My name is Kevin with Helpful Tutorials. I hope this was helpful.